G'day guys, we are back working on the Patrol again today. You can see that we've got a pretty good case of Hyperflash on our indicators. This is pretty easy to see if you've got Hyperflash or not. Are your indicators flashing too fast? Yes, it's probably because you've fit LEDs or because one of your bulbs is out. So the solution for if you've got LEDs fitted to your car is fitting one of these. So this is a flasher unit for LEDs. Very easy to fit, very easy to fix the problem, and you get to keep LEDs. So we're going to be using this to fix our Hyperflash today. If you've got Hyperflash due to one of your bulbs being out, then replace your bulb and happy days. So this here is the unit. It's what it looks like. This cost me about 20 bucks to get, and I grabbed two of them, so I have one spare. Should I have any issues in the future? I know sometimes hooking up a trailer can blow this, not this unit in particular, but people have blown or damaged their factory unit from trying to fit LEDs and then plugging in a trailer that draws too much current and then blows this unit. So I've got a spare one. Should anything go wrong, I've got one ready to go. So I purchased this unit from Quick As. I'll leave a link in the description. They're a Aussie company that sells lots and lots of goodies, especially for patrols. They sell quite a few goodies for patrols, especially the TD boys. They've got some good stuff there for cooling. So let's head into the car and I'll show you guys how to put this unit in. Alrighty guys, so we are in the driver's side seat. You can see we've got the steering wheel up here. This is the lever to open your fuel door, and this is the lever to open your bonnet. There's two 10mm screws holding this in. There's two 10mm screws holding this in. If you undo both of those, you can pretty much just pull the levers out of their plastic. They're only just held in by a little hook on top there. So you just basically pull them forward and down. Same thing down here, forward and down. And then you can just grab the plastic and pull him out of these little tabs here and work your way over, and the whole thing will come down pretty easily. Oh, there is one Phillips head screw right here that I forgot about, so we'll deal with him now. Alrighty guys, so there's a Phillips head screw here that you can't see because of my UHF. He goes in that little hole there. Once we undo him, he's the last thing holding this section of dash in, and then you pull all your levers through the plastic and drop it down. So now we can look for our flasher relay, which is that little black box right there with our red wire, green wire and black wire going to it. We can actually pull him off of the bracket he's sitting on very carefully. It is a bit tricky to do. Alright, so I had to use two hands to unplug him, but we've got him off. And now all I have to do is find out where I put that relay down. So I found the relay, and we basically just push him in like that. And that's it, we're done. Put it all back together, she works. Look at that, flashing correctly. And then the other side as well. Alrighty guys, so you can see I've got the dash all the way back together now. It's pretty much exactly what you do to pull it apart, but do it in the reverse order. If you have trouble getting these two release levers back in place, just double check that you've got the metal hook on the top of it all the way back into its receiver. Mine was a little bit twisted and wouldn't take the screws. That's pretty much it. We'll head around the back now to look at the lights. Oh, look at that. We've even got our sequential indicator working perfectly. Installing car parts doesn't get much better than this. That was approximately 5 minutes of my time, and we have fixed the issue. So you guys should have no troubles doing this. Faster than me because you don't have to film it while you do it. So this should take you guys about 2 minutes to fix your Hyperflash and about 20 bucks. So there should be zero excuses for patrols to have Hyperflash. Alright guys, so if you follow this video through step by step, you should be able to get the same result that I've got here. We managed to fix our Hyperflash pretty quickly, easily, and very cost effectively. 20 bucks to fix a problem that I've been having for many months is well worth it. If you guys are looking to get the Quick As LED indicator relay, I'll leave a link in the description to where you guys can purchase it from. I hope you guys have found this video helpful and interesting. If you guys have any tips for people doing the same job, leave it in the comments below and let's help each other out. I will see you guys in the next video.